The next question. Which of the following groups of environmental factors are density dependent? A. Food, salinity, accumulation of metabolites and light. B. Temperature, salinity, predation and disease. C. Food, predation, disease and accumulation of metabolites. D. Temperature, food, disease and light. Which of the following groups of environmental factors are density dependent? The answer is C. Food, predation, disease and accumulation of metabolites. The next question. Millet, sorghum, maize and onion are common crops grown in Nigeria in the A. Tropical rainforest, B. The Sudan savanna, C. The montane forest, D. The Sahel savanna. These crops are grown in the Sudan savanna. Millet, sorghum, maize and onion. The next question. In which of the following biomes is the southwestern part of Nigeria located? A. Temperature forest, B. Tropical rainforest, C. Tropical woodland, D. Desert. The southwestern of Nigeria is in the tropical rainforest. The next question. Lack of space in a population could lead to an increase in water scarcity, increase in birth rate, increase in disease rates, increase in drought. It is disease rate. When there is no ventilation, any disease that an organism gets is quickly and easily spread to the rest because there is overcrowding. The next question. Plants of temperate origin can be grown in tropical areas in the vegetation zones of the rainforest, Guinea savanna, Sudan savanna, montane forest. The answer is D. Montane forest. The next question. Organisms living in an estuarine habitat are adapted to A. Withstand wide fluctuations in temperature, B. Survive only in water with low salinity, C. Withstand wide fluctuation in salinity, D. Feed only on phytoplankton and dead organic matter. The answer is they withstand wide fluctuation in temperature. The next question. The presence of silt roots, pneumatophore, sunken stomata and salt gland are A. Tropical rainforest, mangrove swamp, grassland, montane forest. Silt roots, pneumatophore, sunken stomata and salt gland are adaptive features of plants found in the mangrove swamp. That's option B. The next question. Which of the following animals can exist solely on the water they get from food and metabolic reaction? Solely on water they get from food and metabolic reactions. A. Forest arboreal dwellers, B. Desert dwellers, C. Forest ground dwellers, D. Rainforest dwellers. The only animals that can survive solely on water they get from their food and metabolic reaction without drinking water are those that are in the desert because there is no water around them. But forest arboreal dwellers, those ones dwelling on trees, those ones on the forest ground, and rainforest dwellers won't do that. So the answer is B. The next question. The most likely first colonizer of a bare rock are A. Mosses, B. Ferns, C. Lichens, D. Fungi. We have done something like this before. The answer is lichens. Lichens are the first colonizers. Next question. The carrying capacity of a habitat is reached when the population growth begins to A. Increase slowly, B. Increase exponentially, C. Slow down, D. Remain steady. So the answer is D. Remain steady. The carrying capacity of the habitat is reached when the population growth remains steady. The next question. The abiotic factors that control human population include disease and famine, spate and rainfall, flooding and earthquake, temperature and disease. disease that control the population of human is flooding and earthquake. Those are natural disasters that control where people are. Where you have flooding and earthquake, you won't even see any people will have left. In fact, killed a lot of people, and the few people that are left, maybe they will have migrated. The next question: an indigenous method of renewing and maintaining soil fertility is by clearing farms by burning, B, planting one crop type, C, adding inorganic fertilizers yearly, and D, crop rotation and shifting cultivation. Planting one crop type and clearing farms by burning will not renew or maintain soil fertility, it will rather destroy it. Adding of inorganic fertilizer is not an indigenous method, even though it will renew and maintain soil fertility. So the only indigenous method of renewing and maintaining soil fertility in the option is option D, crop rotation and shifting cultivation.